In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create loan EMI calculator in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and go to the worksheet where you want to build the calculator. Before entering any formula, make sure your data is already prepared. For this example, you'll need three key values: the loan amount, the annual interest rate, and the loan term in years. Keeping these values clearly organized in separate cells will make the formula easier to enter and update later. Once your data is ready, click on an empty cell where you want the EMI result or monthly payment to appear. This is the cell that will display the final calculated amount. In that selected cell, type the PMT formula, enter an equal sign, then PMT, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, reference the cell that contains the annual interest rate, then divide it by 12. This converts the yearly rate into a monthly rate, which is important because EMI is usually calculated per month. Next, type a comma and select the cell that contains the loan term in years, then multiply it by 12. This converts the full loan period from years into the total number of monthly payments. Then type another comma followed by a minus sign and select the cell that contains the loan amount. Finally, close the parenthesis and press enter. As soon as you do that, Excel will calculate the monthly payment for the loan. The reason the loan amount is entered with a negative sign is that Excel treats it as the present value of the loan, and this helps return the payment amount as a positive number, which is usually easier to read. What this calculator is doing behind the scenes is using Excel's PMT function to determine the fixed monthly payment required to fully repay the loan over the selected time period based on the interest rate you provided. This is especially useful when comparing different loan options, adjusting repayment periods, or testing how changes in interest rates affect your monthly budget. If you want the result to look cleaner, you can also format the result cell as currency so the monthly payment is easier to understand at a glance. That part is optional, but it can make your calculator more polished and user-friendly. And that's it. With just one formula, you can quickly create a simple and effective loan EMI calculator in Microsoft Excel.